शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Good evening, everyone. Yes, we will learn this Sankatanashana Ganesha Sostram. Yesterday we learned 3 slokas. Just revise for the proper pronunciation with rhythm. Okay, who will start recitation? Saisha, can you recite first sloka?
Yes, ma'am. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha. Narada Uvacha Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smade Nityam Ayush Kamartha Siddhaye.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am. Sri Ganeshaya Namah Narada Uvacha Pranamaya Shirasa Devam Gauriputram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayusha Kamatra Siddhaya Ayusha Kamata Siddhaye.
Yes, here Bhaktavasam.
Bhaktavasam.
Yes, and Gauri Putram.
Gauri Putram.
Yes, in the first word Pranamya.
Pranamya. Okay.
Yes. Yes, Pranav.
Okay. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha Narada Uvacha Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Ayush Kamatra Siddhaye.
Kamartha Siddhaye.
Kamatra Siddhaye.
Excellent.
Okay.
Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite?
No, ma'am.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Narada Uvacha.
Narada Uvacha.
Pranamya Sirasa Devam.
Pranamya Shirasat Devam.
Gauri Putram.
Gauri Putram.
Vinayakam.
Vinayakam.
Bhaktavasam.
Bhaktavasam.
Smare Nityam.
Smare Nityam.
Ayush. Kamartha. Siddhaye. Excellent. Danishka. Danshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
Shri Ganeshaya
Namaha.
Namaha.
Correct. Narada Uvacha.
Narada
Uvacha. Correct. Pranamya. Shirasa. Devam. Gauri. Putram. Vinayakam.
Vinayakam.
Yes,
मैम बोले ने थोड़ी
who log in with the Xiomi, please mute yourself. Bhakta
Bhakta.
Vasam
Vasam.
Smarin
Smaren.
Nityam
Nityam.
Ayush
Ayush.
Kamartha
Kamartha.
Siddhaye.
Siddhaye.
Excellent. Jano, now try this sloka.
Okay.
Hmm.
Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Narada Uvacha. Pranamya Shirasha Devam. Gauriputram Vinayakam. Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam. Smare Nityam. Ayush Kamartha Siddhaye.
Smare Nityam Ayush.
Smare Nityam Ayush Kamartha Siddhaye.
Correct. Excellent. We will
Thank
go to
you.
next. Yes, welcome. We will go to next sloka. Yes, Saisha.
Yes, ma'am. Pratamam Vakratundam cha Ekadantam Dvitiyakam Tritiyam Krishna Pingaksham Gajavaktram Chaturtakam.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shaurya, welcome. Shaurya.
Yes,
Shaurya.
ma'am.
Yes. Prathamam
Prathamam
Vakratundam cha
Vakratundam cha
Ekadantam
Ekadantam
Dvitiyakam
Tritiyakam
Tritiyam
Tritiyam
Krishna
Krishna
Pingaksham
Pingaksham
Gajavaktram
Gajavaktram
Chaturthakam.
Chaturthakam.
Excellent. Switch on your video always. Yes, Xiomi. Rename, okay, yourself. Who is logged in with the Xiomi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Who is that?
Yes.
Child name?
Quisha, she is 3-year-old, 3.5-year-old, but I think she will not do. She cannot do.
Okay.
So what to do? We can continue or we can leave.
No.
What should
See,
I do?
make her to speak.
Okay.
Yes. What's her name?
Quisha, KHW.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Quisha. Repeat after me. Prathamam.
बोलो प्रथमम. बोलो क्विशा. प्रथमम. बोलिस?
No. Okay. It's okay. Yes, mute yourself. Yes.
Ma'am,
Harshita.
we can only listen. We can listen
Yes,
only,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
So we
You
will
can listen.
join every day, but we cannot. I
Okay.
will do. She cannot do. Okay.
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay.
Yes. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your video. Prathamam
Prathamam
Vakratundam cha
Vakratundam cha
Ekadantam
Ekadantam
Dvitiyakam
Ditviyakam
Dvitiyakam.
Pitiyakam
Correct. Tritiyam
Tritiyam
Krishna
Krishna
Pingaksham
Pingaksham
Gajavaktram
Gajavaktram
Chaturthakam.
Chaturtakam.
Yes, no play in sloka class. Be attentive. You have to by heart and tell the sloka. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't play after class. Okay? Say yes.
Okay.
Madhurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you try?
Yes, yeah. प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्.
Excellent. Pranav?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्.
Excellent. Yes. Jano? Can you try?
प्रथमं yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
प्रथमं वक्रतुण्डं च एकदन्तं द्वितीयकं तृतीयं कृष्णपिङ्गाक्षं गजवक्त्रं चतुर्थकम्.
Correct. Excellent. We will go to third sloka. Yes. Welcome. Dhanyashrivi,
Ma'am.
can you recite third sloka?
Okay, ma'am. लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमिव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजं च
Dhumra.
धूम्रवर्णं धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Excellent. Saisha,
Thank you.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, recite.
Okay, ma'am. लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजं च धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanshika,
Yes, ma'am.
Lambodaram.
Lambodaram
Switch on your video. Panchamam cha.
panchamam cha
Shashtam.
shashtam
Vikata.
vikata
Mevacha.
mevacha
Saptamam.
daptamam
Saptamam.
saptamam
Vigna.
vigna
Rajam cha.
rajam cha
Dhumra.
dhumbra
Varnam.
varnam
Tathashtamam.
tatashtatam
Tathashtamam.
tatashtam
Tamam. Ta.
tamam.
Yes, excellent. Yes, excellent. Jano.
लंबोदरं पंचमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तमं विघ्नराजं च धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Excellent. Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Lambodara.
लम्बोदरं पञ्चमं च षष्ठं विकटमेव च सप्तं विग्रराजं च धूम्रवर्णं तथाष्टमम्.
Yes, here in the second line, first word is Saptamam.
Saptamam Vigrarajam cha.
Correct. Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, I do not know this one, ma'am.
Okay. Lambodaram
Lambodaram
Panchamam cha
Panchamam cha
Shashtham
Sashtam
Vikatameva cha
Vikatameva cha
Saptamam
Saptamam
Vignarajam cha
Vignarajam cha
Dhumravarnam
Dhumravarnam
Tathashtamam.
Tatastamam.
Excellent. So yesterday we learnt all these three slokas. Now we will start the fourth sloka. Okay. So we will start with the fourth sloka. Who will recite? Yes, Shaurya.
Yes,
Shaurya.
ma'am.
Yes. Switch on your video. Repeat after me 2 times. Navamam.
Navamam.
One more time.
Navamam.
Bhala.
Bhala.
One more time.
Bhala.
Chandram cha.
Chandram cha. Chandram cha.
Dashamam tu.
Dashamam tu. Dashamam tu.
Yes. Vinayakam.
Vinayakam. Vinayakam.
Ekadasham.
Ekadasham.
One more time.
Ekadasham.
Ganapatim.
Ganapatim. Ganapatim.
Dvadasham tu.
Dvadasham tu.
Gajananam.
Gajananam. Gajananam.
Excellent. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Navamam.
Navamam. Navamam.
Bhalachandram cha.
Bhalachandram cha. Bhalachandram cha.
Dashamam tu.
Dasamam tu. Dasamam tu.
Vinayakam.
Vinayakam.
Ekadasham.
Ekadasam. Ekadasam.
Ganapatim.
Ganapatim. Ganapatim.
Dvadasham tu.
Dvadasam tu.
Gajananam.
Gajananam. Gajananam.
Excellent. Dhanyashrivi.
Ma'am.
Can you try?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Navamam Balachandram cha. Dashamam tu Vinayakam. Ekadasam Ganapatim. Dvadasham tu Gajananam.
Yes, excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Dhanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Navamam.
Navamam.
Bhalachandram cha.
Balam chandracham.
Bhala.
Bala
Chandram cha.
chandram cha.
Correct. Dashamam tu.
Dashamam tu.
Vinayakam.
Vinayakam.
Ekadasham.
Ekam dasham.
Ganapatim.
Ganapatim.
Dvadasham tu.
Dvadasham tu.
Gajananam.
Gajananam.
Excellent. Saisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Shaisha,
Yes, ma'am.
recite.
Okay, ma'am. Navamam bhalachandram cha dashamam tu vinayakam ekadasham ganapatim dwadasham tu gajananam.
Excellent. Yes,
Thank
Jana, welcome. Can you try?
you.
Hmm.
नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
Excellent. Kvisha,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome. Kvisha,
Yes, ma'am. I changed the name.
okay, you
She's not
change the
able to-
name. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Madhurya,
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकादशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्
Dwadasham.
द्वादशं तु गजानन द्वादशं तु गजाननम्
Dwadasham tu.
द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Pranav. Welcome.
Okay. नवमं बालचन्द्रं च दशमं तु विनायकम् एकदशं गणपतिं द्वादशं तु गजाननम्.
Excellent. Ekadasham. Second line, first word is, yes, Ekadasham.
एकादशं.
Correct. Excellent recitation. Who is Samsung? Join with Samsung. Who is joined with Samsung? Okay, we will go to. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I have done
Nava.
already.
Yes, you have to recite full sloka.
Okay.
Hmm.
Navamam balachandram cha
Dashamam tu.
dashamam tu vinayakam
Yeah.
ekadantam ganapati
Ekadasham.
ekadasam ganapatim
Hmm.
devaswam
Dwadasham.
Dwadasam tu ganadasam
Gajananam.
gajananam.
Excellent. Okay, we will go to next sloka. I will start with Shaurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Shaurya. Dwadashaitani
द्वादशैतानि
namani
नामानि
trisandhyam
त्रिसन्ध्यं
yaf pathen
यः पठेन्
naraha
नरः
nacha
न च
vigna
विघ्न
bhayam tasya
भयं तस्य
sarvasiddhi
सर्वसिद्धि
karam param.
करं परं
Karam. Param.
परं.
Yes, excellent recitation. Pronunciation is too good. Vaibhavi Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
Dwadashaitani Voice is not heard properly. Check with your audio, okay? Voice is not coming, Vaibhavi. Okay, check with your audio, okay? Jano?
Yes, ma'am.
Dvadashaitani namani.
I can try.
Okay.
द्वादशैतानि नामानि
Hmm.
त्रिसन्ध्यं यः पठे नरः न च विघ्नं न च विघ्नभयं तस्य सर्वसिद्धिकरं परम्.
Correct. Excellent.
Thank
Yes,
you.
welcome. Dhaneshri. Dhaneshri.
Ma'am?
Can you try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Dvadashtani namani.
Ekanimsham. Dvadashaitani
Dvadashaitani
namani. Yes.
namani Trisandhyam yah pate naraha na cha vigna bhayam tasya sarva siddhikaram param.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Dhanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Dvada
Dvada
shaitani
shaitani
namani
namani
trisandhyam
trisandhyam
yah pathen
paten
naraha
naraha
nacha
nacha
vigna
vigna
bhayam tasya
bhayam tasya
sarvasiddhi
sarvam siddhi
karam param.
karam param.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Saisha, welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite the full sloka.
Okay, ma'am. Dvadashaitani namani trisandhyam yah pathe naraha na cha vigna bhayam tasya sarva siddhikaram param.
Excellent. You put here
Thank you,
F
ma'am.
sound. F. You put F sound here. F paten.
Dvadashaitani yah pate naraha.
Excellent. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Harshita. Welcome. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite?
Yeah, I'll try, ma'am. Dvadasaitani
namani trisandhyam
Trisandhyam
yah paten naraha
yah pate naraha
nacha vigna
yat nacha vigna
bhayam tasya
bhayam tasya
sarvasiddhi
sarva siddhi
karam param. Excellent. Madhurya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Can you just tell the first word how to pronounce?
Yes. Dvadasha. Ekadasha. Dvadasha. Okay. So
Okay.
Dvadashaitani.
Okay. Dvadashaitāni namāni trisya sandhya yah pate naraha.
Ekanimsham. Trisandhyam. Trisandhyam means 3 times. Okay. Trisandhyam.
Dvadashaitāni namāni trisya Trisya Sandhyam
Not
F
Trisya.
Patena.
Ekanimisham. Not Trisya. Trisandyam. Trisandyam.
Trisandhyam.
Yes,
Trisandyam.
correct.
Taitani Namani Trisya Trisandhyam F Patenara
Correct.
Nacha Vigrabham Tasya Sarva Siddhikaram Param.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, we will go to next sloka with Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, yes. Vidyarthi.
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 Yes. Labhate vidyam.
Labhate Vidyam.
Dhanarthi.
Dhanatri.
Not three, T only. Dhanarthi.
Dhanarthi.
Labhate dhanam.
Labhate Dhanam.
Putrarthi.
Putratri.
Labhate.
Labhate
Putran.
Putran.
Moksharthi.
Mokshati.
Labhate gatim.
Labhate Gatim.
Excellent. Vidyarthi means students. Students get vidya. Okay, whoever chanting this sloka, Vidyarthi get vidya and wealth man get wealth. Okay, very well wealth they will get. Then who has not a son yet, so they will get the putra, bhagya. Then moksharthi, one who wants moksha, they will prapt moksha. So how they will get? By chanting this sloka 3 times daily. Okay, that is the meaning of this sloka. This is the Palastuti. Okay, we will go with Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Vidyarthi.
Vidyarthi
Labhate vidyam.
labhate vidyam.
Dhanarthi.
Dhanarthi
Labhate dhanam.
labhate dhanam.
Putrarthi.
Putrati
Labhate putran.
labhate putran.
Moksharthi.
Mokshati
Labhate gatim.
labhate gatim.
Excellent. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite.
Okay, ma'am. Vidyarthi labhate vidyam. Dhanarthi labhate dhanam. Putrarthi labhate putran. Moksharthi labhate gatim.
Excellent. Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am. Vidyarthi labhate vidyam. Dhanarthi labhate dhanam. Putrarthi labhate putran. Moksharthi labhate dhantim.
Excellent. Vidyam. Labhate vidyam. Okay, first line.
Labhate. Okay.
Excellent recitation. Okay, so practice
thank
all the slokas. I will call one by one. Okay, you select one sloka and recite completely. Okay, without any mistake. All of you practice with the slokas. Okay, all the 6 slokas. We will see tomorrow by reciting all these 6 slokas one by one. Samapayamaha Shanti Mantram. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamādāya Purnamevāvashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you everyone. See you again tomorrow.
Thank you, Hari Om, ma'am.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Welcome.
ma'am.
Thank you.